How to enroll to Bank of Montreal's online banking account and services. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can enroll or register to Bank of Montreal's online banking account and services. So to do that, first of all, go to any web browser on either your mobile device or your desktop, and in the web address bar, simply type in bmo.com. After that, you will be taken to the official homepage of Bank of Montreal, where on the top right corner of your screen you can see the login option. Simply tap on it. After that, a drop down box will appear where it will say register for online banking with a BMO debit card or credit card. So remember one thing, you cannot enroll to online banking account and services without having either a debit card or a credit card. So let me show you the ways on how you can register it by using both of these. So first of all, let me demonstrate from the BMO debit card. So once you tap on the option BMO debit card, you will be taken to this page where you'll have to have your debit card number handy. So tap on the option next, and then first of all enter your debit card number over here. After that, enter your phone number, and once you've done that, you will be able to create a new password for your Bank of Montreal's online banking account and then register from there. Now let us talk about credit card. So to do that, again go to the credit card tab, which is right over here. Now tap on the option next. After that, you'll have to enter your Bank of Montreal's credit card number, the expiry date, and finally the credit card validation number. And once you've entered all of these three, you will be able to create a new password for your account and then gain the access to online banking account and services. So that is basically how you enroll or register to Bank of Montreal's online banking account and services. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.